Today we're gonna have unboxing of Hermes mini handbag. Please guys, stay with me. I'm extremely glad also to introduce today to you on my video. It's a LED light therapy machine. It's the first time ever I'm kind of going into LED light therapy for skincare, and the beauty of this machine is that it actually can be used not only on the face but all over your body, and it doesn't have just a red light. It has red, orange, it has yellow, it has green, it has blue, it has purple, and it has near infrared light, so which is like also very advantageous. So I'm gonna switch camera right now and show to you how I'm using this light, and I'm extremely grateful for the sponsors of this video for sending me this machine. Extremely excited to use. The first things that I want to show to you is that this machine is foldable, so it's very comfortable, can be even used and transported during your travel, so you don't need any assembly or anything like that. This is obviously on and off power button. Before I proceed to any LED light therapy, I'm gonna put on my goggles, and it has adjustable strap at the back, so you can clearly adjust to your width of your head. It's almost like going for a swim. It has also child lock, just in case, for the safety if you have a small children in your house. Plus and minus button, you can add the times that you want to use your machine. And let's start from all different light therapies. There is a separate button for the red, for the blue, for the green. The cycle, it's when all the lights will go around, starting from the purple, blue, green, so it's kind of going to be circling around, and you're going to get benefit of all different lights. But if you want to use specific lights, you have blue, red, green. You have also others. Under the others you can change, so let's press the others. Under the others you have orange, yellow, and purple. So this is on the orange. If I'm gonna press more, it's going to be under the yellow. You can see the shadow, and then if I press again, it has a purple light. So let's just a little bit talk about different lighting and what it gives you. The purple light is the less penetrating into your skin, and it's control oils inside your skin. Let's say if you have very oily skin, it would be beneficiary. The orange light goes much deeper, and it's very helpful if you have pigmentation or if you want to shrink your pores. It's quite advantageous for that. The yellow light can help with the redness and calming your skin. Let's say if you have rosacea, it can somewhat improve rosacea and calm the redness on your skin. The blue light therapy, it's anti-acne, so it prevents breakouts in your skin. The green light therapy reduces cellulite and improves the wound healing, so if you have some kind of scrapes, etc. Red light, it's anti-aging, boosting collagen as well. And then you have the near light, is the most deepest penetration to the skin, and it can penetrate deeply into subcutaneous tissue, promoting muscle repair and possessing anti-inflammatory and analgesic effect. So it's like if you have really need of deep tissue repair. So I'm excited to try this machine, and right now I'm going to try several different lights on under my skin, and then I will try also this deep tissue repair on my knees, because I have a little bit of arthritis, and I think that would be beneficial as well. Thank you very much again for sponsor of this video for sending me this machine. And if you decided to purchase this machine, please use my code, my discount code. I highly appreciate your support for my channel, and I'm extremely grateful and excited to use this machine, because I know for sure it has lots and lots of benefits for my body and my skin. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Oksana. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. Very exciting video. Today I'm gonna unbox my handbag that I got on my Hermes appointment this winter when I was in Paris, my Paris trip 2025. I got two handbags. So this is the first one that I got. It's mini bag. I'm extremely excited. So without any further ado, please stay with me. I'm gonna do unboxing right away. I'm gonna have also a separate video for, like, you know, the Hermes appointment, how it happened, because I already been to Paris 3 times. All 3 times I had my leather appointments. On all 3 times I got my quarter bags. One more point, like, I don't know, some people often saying like, oh, Constance is not a quarter bag. In my books, Constance is a quarter bag because I never in my life saw Constance on a website for sale, because quarter bags, they never available on a sale. Constance also, it's impossible to get, like, you know, if you're gonna ask your say. In our boutique, I know in many boutiques in Asia, if you're gonna get your Constance, it counts as your quarter bag for a year. I mean, I don't compare myself with the people who spend zillions of dollars at the boutique. I would say the normal person who spends a normal amount of money, Constance is a quarter bag. And on top of everything, because it's pair of the trifecta, Birkin, Kelly and Constance, and on top of everything, having right now several Birkins, Kelly in my collection, and I have several Constances right now in my collection, I would say, frankly, Constance is my absolute favorite bag. So anyway, stay tuned for the video about my leather appointment, but today it's all about unboxing. Many of you who is into Hermes already most likely even guessing what kind of handbag is that. Ta-da! So let me just take the bag out. Obviously there is a care booklet and there is a beautiful pillow for the handbag to have nice dreamy, sleepy. So, and the handbags that I got is, so this is Hermes mini bolide in nata color with gold hardware in chèvre leather. Oh my god, what a beauty, what a beauty. This is in fact my 3rd mini bolide. Previously, on my previous 2 leather appointments, I got also mini bolide, but they were all in Evercolor leather. Frankly, I'm not huge fan of Evercolor leather, so therefore, and one of them was also in Mauve pale, very delicate color and very delicate leather, so I kind of part with that bag. The second bag that I got, it's actually for my sister-in-law, like, you know, so I give her that bag, you know, one of my relatives, so clearly without any profits or anything. But this time around I got mini bolide in chèvre leather in color nata. Absolutely gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna show you right now also what fits inside this bag. Obviously it comes with the strap, so I'm gonna show you right now what fits inside this bag. So just stay still tuned with me, don't click anywhere. So let's continue in what fits inside. So let me actually show you how the bag looks like inside. It's all nata, as I said, it's all nata color with gold hardware. This is most likely you won't be able to see, but it's a case stamp. So case stamp means it's year 2025. On the camera it shows a little bit lighter. Let me just actually turn off the lights. So it's kind of has a little bit of, I know people often say that it has a kind of more yellow undertone, but in Chev Nata, I would say it doesn't even have the yellow. It has almost kind of like grayish undertone, funny enough. So anyway, so that's how it looks like. Absolutely gorgeous. So excited. I was actually also trying to find an extra strap for this bag, because this strap can be crossbody on me. Don't forget I'm 5'3", and I wouldn't say that I'm very skinny. I have some meat on my bones, so I can put it crossbody, but mostly in the summertime when I don't have any heavy coats or something. So let me show you right now what fits in this bag. It's a small bag. By no means you cannot fit a lot. No full-size wallet can fit. Even compact wallet, obviously it can fit, but it's not going to be much more room left for anything else. Lately I'm using my non-stop Hermes Calvi Duo. I really love that it has this extra pocket, so I can put some kind of bits and bobs behind. Also you can put all kind of your receipts, and obviously up front I can keep my card. Sometimes actually opposite, when I was traveling back there, I'm keeping all my cards, but in front I was just keeping some cash. This is Longchamp coin purse in leather, very soft. I absolutely love it. And usually again I keep this as a bits and bobs. So this is my car key, my lipstick. I have even Band-Aid over here, couple of candies. It's not even candy, it's like, you know, that Ricola. So if you're gonna get a little bit sore throats or something, and it's also freshen up your breath. So that's what I usually keep on me, like, you know, in all my bags. If the bag is kind of a bit bigger, then I can add something else, but that's what I usually keep. And this is my phone. My phone is already fairly old. It's iPhone 12, and it's not Pro, it's not the largest size, and it's not the smallest one. It's in the middle, and it has obviously the cover, and it goes in easily. It goes in easily, and that's what I love about, and it's easy access. Then I can put this coin purse from Longchamp, kind of bits and bobs. I can put also my Hermes wallet, and see how it all fits perfectly. And on top of everything, if I need, there is a still extra space. If I'm gonna put, I don't know, extra lipstick, or if I need to put a hand sanitizer, or like I can put my glasses on top, because clearly I need my glasses. Or if you don't need the glasses yet, or you don't use glasses, you can always put your sunglasses on top. See, right now I'm putting my Prada sunglasses, and it's actually closes like really well, and it's like, I mean, it's a perfection. I knew that I was looking for the perfect mini bolide, and when it comes to light color handbags, I'm much better with, let's say, mini bolide or Constance versus Birkin and Kelly's, because Birkin and Kelly's are so expensive, and having it's in a light color, at least it makes me very nervous. So I'm extremely happy that I was able to, you know, get this little cutie. And as you know, I recently also unboxed my black rodeo. Can you wait for a second? I want to just kind of grab my black rodeo and show you how cute it's gonna look like. Okay, I'm back. So this is my black rodeo. I just recently unboxed it, and I show you on all my other handbags, and I was saying how cute is the black rodeo, that it's pretty much can go with anything, any handbag. You don't really kind of have to worry about the color of the bag, and that's exactly right. Look how cute it is looking on this bag. It's so chic and beautiful. And that's what I said, if eventually even I'm gonna get not necessarily a white strap that's a little bit longer, maybe even black strap that it's a little bit longer, and with the black rodeo, how cute is that? It's so cute. I'm extremely excited, but let me know what you think of my new purchase. So happy, and I'm extremely excited that it's in Chevre leather, because you know Chevre leather is very durable, very light. That's why Hermes often using, not often, I would say 99% they are using Chevre leather as for the inner parts of the handbags, because it's light and it's very durable. So put all your comments. What do you think of my new purchase? As I said, stay tuned also for the next unboxing. I'm gonna have next unboxing with the quarter bag. Extremely excited about that quarter bag. It's like, wow, best combo. Anyway, let me know what you think of my new cutie. So that's about it for today, and I hope to see you on my next one. Don't forget to comment, like, share my video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and I will see you on my next one.